Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome to Rice Fix. So guys, today I have a very special tool with me and this is a weed cutter. This is an electric weed cutter guys. As you guys can see, it has a plug and you can easily plug it in your house. Now will this weed cutter really work? We don't know about it. We will test it out in this video. The important thing to tell you guys is that this is not a paid promotion. I have bought this product because there were many weeds outside of my house which I wanted to get rid of. How much I paid for it, I will tell you further in this video, so keep watching. But before that guys, we'll check out if this really works and we'll see if it can really cut the weeds. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. If you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember to press that hype button as well. So come on, let's start the video. So as you guys can see in front of my house, there are so many weeds that are grown. Now the wire that you guys can see in these weeds, I only have placed that wire like that so that I can connect my weed cutter to it because it's an electric weed cutter. If in front of your house also weeds grow like this, then see that you comment below and let us know guys. Now during the monsoon season, these weeds grow very tall. That is the reason why we have to keep cutting them. Now the weeds in front of my house, they have grown so tall, you guys can see that here. So I will cut all of these weeds and I will show you guys. And after cutting, let's see how this area looks like. And for that I will use this weed whacker. Now the thread which is there on this cutter is the fishing line. It is the same material which is used for fishing rods. It is that same kind of string, and as you guys can see, I'm wearing glasses here because you should be wearing your safety gears guys. You should wear your shoes, you should wear a long pant, because when this machine cuts the weeds, it throws them far away with a very high speed, which if touches you, then you can get a cut guys. Now one of the drawback of this machine is the wire that they have given on this machine is a very short wire, as you guys can see. Now this plug you will have to connect to the wall outlet. So if you want to connect this machine very far away from your house, then you will need a long extension wire for that. If you don't have one, then you will have to make one. I don't have that long wire, but I will be using an extension from my house so that I can reach here. So wherever this wire reaches, from there only I will cut the weeds. So this is an electric machine which you can connect to any of your wall outlet. So here my machine has started. So come on, let's start cutting the weeds guys.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So guys, while you are cutting the grass, if your string touches any of the rocks, or if it touches any big weed, or if it touches a full grown plant, then this string gets cut or it goes inside. So you will have to take it out manually. As you guys can see, there's a button in the middle here. We'll have to press that and you will have to rotate this thing, and this top part will come out like this. As it opens up, you will see that there's a spindle to which the string is tied up. This is the same string which is used for fishing guys. So this string you will have to pull out, which is gone inside, and you will have to put it in a loop which is there on the spindle. As you guys can see, this spindle has a small cut on it, so you will have to put the string inside of that cut. Now this is a single string guys, but it has two ends, so the other end also you will have to find and you will have to take it out and you will have to place it in the other groove. Then you will have to pass this string on this cap. Now this cap has two holes, both the ends you will have to pass through these holes, and then you will have to put the spindle inside. As you guys can see, I have placed it inside, and through both the holes my string is come out now. As you guys can see, now you will have to press it and rotate it like how you put the bulb in the bulb holder, and it will get locked. Now again my machine is ready to cut the grass. Now many times these strings get cut guys, so this I can say is a small drawback of this machine, because you will have to stop your work in between to take the string out. Once you take the strings out, you can start again your cutting process. Now while you are cutting the grass, you will have to make sure that your wire doesn't come in between, because if the wire comes in between, it can also get cut. Now once I reached here, again my string got cut, and that too only on one side it went inside. Now by listening to the sound of the machine, I came to know about it, that something is gone wrong. Now if the sound of your machine changes, then you will have to stop your cutting process there only, and you will have to check your string if they are out on both the sides. Then if they are not out, then you will have to take them out and you will have to put the spindle back inside. as you guys can see, I am done cutting all the weeds. Now we will see the before and after, how it used to look and how it is looking now. As you guys can see how nice it is looking now. Now if you want a grass cutter like this, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and check it out by yourself. Now this grass cutter has cost me 2000 rupees and it is very helpful tool in the monsoon seasons. Now what is your thought about this grass cutter? Do let me know in the comment section below. After cutting all these weeds, you will have to clean this machine as well. All the things will get accumulated inside of your machine like this. So you will have to take it out like this, because maintaining your tool is also very important. So guys, I'm hoping that you have found this video useful. If you have found this video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed, so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember to press that hype button. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.